Alright, gangery dudes, my gaggle of goons. It's you guys. You're my gaggle of goons. On this day, I'll be taking this foot peg and be replacing it with the exact same foot peg, just to make it match the other side, because the other foot peg is just fucking gone. It's just gone. That shit slid so hard that it's fucking gone. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, fuck. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you, this isn't really the best angle for this. But for these, there's a little pin back here that kind of goes through this screw to keep all this on. So we're gonna be taking that out somehow. Yep. Just kind of gotta unbend it. It'll go out. Oh, I'm understanding this now. Gotta really straighten those out, huh? This is actually a really high quality fucking pen. This is a little bit nicer than I had anticipated. May need to go find a pair of pliers, any pliers. Where are they? Actually, that should work. Probably the highest quality cotter pin I've ever seen, which is really sad, but yep. Get it out. Gotta get the screw to come out. No grease on this. There's no grease on it now. I will not be putting more grease on it. Yes, the new ones. This is the one for the other side. And this is the one for this side. I just got some like shitty ones off Amazon. You're probably in a way better situation if you get the factory ones. I need to go get a socket so I can put these new feelers all the way in. These are also way shorter, so this will be fun and interesting. Before we go get that socket, I'm actually just gonna put these on because it's probably gonna be easier to do these with the it's gonna be easier to screw those down with the fucking I missed the spring. Really doesn't want to go into its hole. Oh god, that's he just fucking flipped me. It does line up. And it will go through. Spring at some point, maybe. Oh yeah, I got it right through. Yeah. So I also had the wrong spring, so that was making life difficult. All right. Fuck, I've lost the other cotter pin again. Damn. I will use this one. Oh wait, I found it again. Very good. Thread this right on through there. Then we'll bend it around, just as our forefathers did. Doing this in a very crude way, because I have very crude tools. Might even say I'm a very crude man. Huh? Didn't think about it that way, did you? try and push those down a bit more with the screwdriver. Because they're kind of like not very on there. Yeah, that's good enough for me, brother. Alright, now I'll go find whatever bit that needs. Alright, just my luck, it's a 10 mil. I'll get this one on the other one real quick, and then we'll tackle this one. Alright, good to go. Alright, let's get on to the other side. Alright, yeah, as you can see, there's not a whole lot left of this thing. Yeah. Yeah, this one's really on there. I forgot my screwdriver, hold on. But yeah, just enough of the rear set left to put another foot peg on. It'll be fine. Okay. Come on. Dude, what are we coming up? Well, just go all the way out. Yeah, that's all that's left of my rear set here for a comparison of, you know, that's literally this piece right here. That's all that's left. It's all right. All right. Oh, that's the fuck ass spring. Where's the good spring? Where did I put the new spring? All right. Turns out I just left it on the other side of the bike. We're square. We're square. Something like that. Yep. God damn it. You don't get your ass in there, boy, I'm gonna cry. What I'm gaining from this is this rear set is definitely pretty fucking bent. That would be an accurate statement. Come on. Find the hole, you fucker. This is quickly becoming one of the more annoying things I've ever had to do. I'm thinking this shit's just bent just enough to make this fucking difficult. Alright, we made it to the ground, everybody. Thank God. It's so close. It's so close. How about we add some lube in, huh? How about we do that? That might solve some problems. Oh, but now I gotta get up. Fuck that. Hold on. I'm sliding over here. Alright, I think that's a good angle. Alright. Oh. Come here, bitch. Only need a wee bit. I'm lubing the tip, everybody. Look at this. Alright. That lube is on the ground now. Fuck yeah. Oh, it went through! It went through! Holy shit! Guys, I did it. I needed lube and determination. Oh yeah, it's not particularly smooth, but it's good enough. Holy shit. Oh fuck, this spring. Oh! Alright, well you know what that means. We go back. But now I know it's possible, so get our lubed up screw. I realized I lubed up the old one too, so I'll do the new one. Oh, well, I guess that's everywhere now. I'm being very generous here right now. There's gonna be a lot of lube all over the entrance to this thing. Because now I know it'll work. It did itself the disservice of showing me the light. So is that. We're gonna get through. We're just going to force it to do as we want. I'll clean up this grease after this is done too, but fuck me, dude. I got extremely lucky and I had to fuck it up. I had to fuck it up, everyone! There it is. Oh my god. Holy shit, everyone. They showed me what was possible. Okay, now I gotta find the cotter pin. Fuck. I don't remember what I did with it. Might be time to reuse the old one. I don't know where that one is either. Fuck, dude. I can see the one from the other side, though. Teehee. If I can just reach my full lanky ass arms over there. Oh, yeah. This will do. I think this might be too big, actually. Fuck. If I have to, I will safety wire this shit on. Yeah, I don't know where the new cotter pin went, so I'm just gonna do fuck shit and safety wire it, cause that will do the trick. I think this is probably an over adequate amount, a more than adequate amount. Let's just straighten it out, as we always do. Through. Got our clamp on it. Fucking missed. Oh, the soft hands are getting me. I said it's always the soft hands. Alright, and we're in. Alright guys, there's one thing I've learned throughout this project. It's that lock wire can solve all your problems. Alright? Something just isn't going your way, hit it with some lock wire, you know? And then, you know, just like, lo and behold, all your problems just disappear. Cause there's lock wire on it. Holy shit. Yeah, that's good. There's a lot of grease there. I don't think I have a rag for that. You're just gonna have to trust me that I'm gonna clean this up. I swear. But yeah. Yeah, it's a little tight, but it'll do. Ta-da! Alright, let's go end this before I lose more brain cells. Alright. Wouldn't you know it? We took these oldies off. Oh wow, that's really off. Hey guys. Yeah, I was just over here. Hey guys. For real this time. Yeah, we we took these oldies off and put the new ones on. You already saw what those look like. But yeah, as you can see, my pile of bullshit. I mean, yeah, we put these on. We put the levers on last, so we put these on. I think next is probably going to be me fixing up my rear axle cover. And then putting the tail frame back on, so I can put my brake light back on. So I can actually take this thing for a ride. Because right now, you know, it would probably drive. But, the like actual like holder for the rear axle on the captive side, it's like sheared down to almost nothing, so I don't really trust that. So we're gonna fix that next week, or whenever I next post a video. I don't fucking know. I kind of just like edit the videos, chop them up into reels, and then when I run out of reels, I record another one. So however long that takes is when I'll do all that. Yeah. But yeah. You guys know the drill. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn notifications, and if your screen is not obliterated and your hand isn't bloody after that, you're not trying hard enough, alright? I want you to undo it all and do it again until your hand's bloody and it's like dripping off, right? But yeah. That is all. Have a good time. Ride bikes, don't crash. Yeah, don't fucking crash. Alright. Bye-bye. Booga booga. Gotta get off my seat. Boss! Alright.